Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Twins podcast, where learning English feels easy, natural, and fun, just like talking to friends.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack, and this is my twin sister, Emma.
And before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us. It really helps our little English family grow.
Yeah, and today's topic is super practical. It's something we all do every single day.
Yep, morning routines. We're going to talk about how to describe your morning in English, from waking up to brushing your teeth, and how to say everything clearly and naturally.
So, if you've ever wondered how to talk about your daily routine in smooth English, today's your lucky day.
All right, Jack, let's start from the very beginning, when your alarm rings in the morning.
Oh no, my least favorite sound in the world.
Same here. Okay, so what do you say when your alarm rings?
I usually say, ugh, 5 more minutes.
That's not English, that's pain. But seriously, in English, we can say simple sentences like, I wake up at 7 a.m. or I get up at 7.
Ah, yes, good point. And remember, wake up and get up are a bit different.
Exactly. So wake up means your eyes open, you're awake, but get up means you actually leave the bed.
So, for example, I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:15.
Right, because you're lazy.
Excuse me, I call it relaxed morning motivation.
Sure. Okay, listeners, repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 7:15.
Great. You can also say, I get out of bed. That's another natural way.
And if you want to sound more fluent, you can connect your words a little bit. I get up at 7, speak smoothly, get up at 7.
That's right. Native speakers often link the words. So instead of get up at 7, it sounds like one long sound. Get up at 7.
Okay, Jack, after you finally get out of bed, what's next?
I go to the bathroom and wash my face.
Good. You can also say, I brush my teeth, or I take a shower.
And for learners, here's a tip. Try to keep verbs in the simple present tense. That's what we use for routines.
Exactly. So we say, I brush my teeth, not I am brushing my teeth, because it's something you do every day.
Let's do a quick quiz. Ready?
Ooh, mini quiz time.
Okay, question 1. Which sentence is correct? A, I brushing my teeth every morning. B, I brush my teeth every morning.
Easy. The correct answer is B. I brush my teeth every morning.
Nice job. And question 2. What's the difference between take a shower and have a shower?
Ooh, tricky. They actually mean the same thing. Take a shower is common in American English, and have a shower is used more in British English.
That's right. So both are correct. You can choose whichever sounds natural to you.
Okay, now after showering, we usually get dressed. Jack, how do you describe that?
Simple. I get dressed. Or you can say, I put on my clothes.
Yes, and don't forget, we say put on for clothes, but wear when you already have them on.
Exactly. So you put on your shirt in the morning, and then you wear your shirt all day.
Perfect example. Okay, listeners, repeat after me. I put on my clothes. I wear a blue shirt.
Excellent. And maybe you also say, I brush my hair, or I comb my hair.
Jack, I have a fun question. Do you eat breakfast before or after you get dressed?
I eat breakfast after, because if I spill something, I don't want to mess up my clothes.
Smart man. I always eat first, then get dressed. Breakfast is the best part of my morning.
True. So let's talk about breakfast vocabulary. You can say, I have breakfast at 8, or I eat breakfast with my family.
And some common breakfast foods: toast, eggs, coffee, cereal, and juice.
And please don't say, I take breakfast. That's not natural. We say, I have breakfast.
Yes, have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner. That's the pattern.
Okay, repeat after us. I have breakfast at 8. I drink coffee in the morning.
Perfect. Now, after breakfast, many people go to work or school. So we can say, I go to work at 9, or I go to school at 8:30.
Or I leave home at 8:15. That's another natural way.
And remember the small detail. In English, we usually say at for specific times, like at 7, at 8:30.
Let's test that with a mini quiz.
Yes. Okay, listeners, which one is correct? A, I wake up in 7. B, I wake up at 7.
The correct answer is B, at 7.
Nice. Okay, now let's practice saying your full morning routine together.
I'll go first. I wake up at 7. I get up and brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. Then I have breakfast and go to work.
That's a great example. Simple, clear, and natural.
Emma, your turn.
Okay, I wake up at 6:30, I wash my face, brush my teeth, and take a shower. Then I drink coffee, have breakfast, and go to school.
Beautiful. And here's something learners often forget. Pronunciation.
Ah, yes, the TH sound in teeth or 30. You have to push your tongue slightly between your teeth. F.
That's right. Try it with me. 30. Teeth.
Great job. And for wake up, don't say wake up, stretch that vowel sound. Wake up.
Good tip. Small sounds make a big difference.
Let's do a short repeat exercise. Ready, friends? Say it with us. I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I go to work.
Nice rhythm. It's like a little morning English song.
Yeah, maybe we should record it.
I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth.
Stop. We'll lose all our listeners.
Okay, fine. But humor helps memory. When you laugh, you learn faster.
That's true. So let's quickly talk about one more thing. How to sound clear in the morning.
Oh, yes, our episode subtitle Wake Up and Speak Clearly.
Many people feel sleepy and their voice sounds lazy in the morning. So here's a fun English tip. Practice short morning phrases aloud.
For example, good morning. How are you today? It's a beautiful day.
Yes, save them out loud with a smile. Your voice will sound more awake and confident.
And if you want to warm up your mouth, try saying tongue twisters.
Like,
She sells seashells by the seashore.
that's a classic. Or Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Nice one. These are great to practice pronunciation and speed.
Listeners, try saying them slowly at first. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is fun, not perfection.
Exactly. Learning English should never feel like a test. It should feel like a chat with friends.
Like this one. Okay, Jack, one last question. What's one thing that makes your morning better?
Coffee, music, and not talking to you before 8 a.m.
Rude. I make your morning amazing.
That's true. You bring chaos and sunshine at the same time.
I'll take that as a compliment.
So, friends, remember, your morning routine in English is simple. Wake up, get up, wash, dress, eat, and go.
And practice saying it every day. That's how you build fluency, one morning at a time.
Exactly.
And now, let's talk about some small morning habits that can help you feel more positive and confident in English. Like saying positive sentences to yourself in English when you wake up.
Oh, yeah. That's called affirmations, right?
Exactly. They're short, happy sentences that help you feel confident. For example, I feel good today, or I'm ready for a great day.
I like that. It's a small way to practice English and start your morning with a smile.
Yes. So listeners, repeat after us. I feel good today. I'm ready for a great day. I can speak English clearly.
Nice. And when you say it, Try to smile. Your voice actually sounds friendlier when you smile, even if no one can see you.
That's true. Smiling changes how your voice sounds. It adds energy.
And confidence, too. I always tell my students, confidence doesn't come after speaking English well. It comes while you're speaking English.
Exactly. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, speak clearly, slowly, and with confidence.
Right. Like when you say good morning, don't whisper it like you're shy. Say it strong and happy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, not that loud, Emma.
Sorry, I get excited when we talk about confidence.
No problem. All right, let's talk about some useful morning English expressions that people often hear or say.
Ooh, good idea. Like what?
For example, when someone wakes you up, they might say, time to get up, rise and shine, or come on, sleepyhead.
My favorite is sleepyhead. It's a cute and funny way to call someone who doesn't want to wake up.
Yep, parents often say it to kids. Wake up, sleepyhead.
And rise and shine means wake up and be happy.
That's right. Now, after you get up, you might ask someone, how did you sleep?
And you can answer, I slept well, or not so well.
Or, I couldn't sleep if you had a bad night.
Here's a fun role play idea, Jack. Let's act like two roommates in the morning, okay?
Okay, I'll be the sleepy one.
Good morning, Jack. Rise and shine.
5 more minutes.
Nope. You said that yesterday. Come on, time to get up.
Fine. How did you sleep, Emma?
Pretty well, thanks. You?
Not great. I dreamed I was late for school again.
Classic. See, that's a simple and natural morning conversation.
Yeah, and you can practice it every day. Even talking to yourself in the mirror helps.
Yes, that's a great English exercise. When you're brushing your teeth or making breakfast, say simple sentences about what you're doing.
Like, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee. I'm putting on my shoes.
Exactly. It helps your brain connect English to real life.
And it's fun. Your morning becomes your classroom.
Yes, you can learn without even opening a book.
Let's share a few common mistakes learners make when talking about their morning routines.
Ooh, good idea. Mistake number 1, saying, I am wake up.
Oh, yes. The correct way is I wake up. No am.
Right, because wake up is a verb, not an adjective.
Mistake number 2 is I take breakfast.
Nope, we say, I have breakfast.
And mistake number 3, forgetting at before times. For example, wrong, I wake up 7 a.m. Correct, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Perfect. Small words make a big difference.
Okay, Emma, let's test our listeners again with a mini quiz.
Yay, quiz time.
Number 1, which is correct? A, I have a shower every morning. B, I make a shower every morning.
The correct answer is A, I have a shower every morning.
Good job. Number 2, A, I get up from bed. B, I get out of bed.
The correct one is B, I get out of bed.
Excellent. And number 3, A, I drink a coffee. B, I drink coffee.
Tricky. The natural one is B, I drink coffee. No A.
Right, because coffee is uncountable.
Great job, everyone.
Emma, let's add a few polite morning phrases too, for learners who live with family, friends, or roommates.
Yes, you can say, good morning. How did you sleep? Or would you like some coffee?
Or, did you eat breakfast? Or, let's go, we'll be late.
That last one is for every mom ever.
True.
And if someone sneezes in the morning, what do we say?
Bless you.
Yes, and they can reply, thank you.
That's one of those small English habits that make you sound friendly and natural.
Absolutely. Okay, Jack, I have a challenge for our listeners.
Ooh, I love challenges.
Tomorrow morning, describe your entire morning routine in English out loud, even if you're alone.
Yes. You can say it step by step. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I go to work.
Or school. Do that every morning for 1 week, and you'll feel more confident speaking English naturally.
Totally. Consistency is the secret.
And remember, don't worry about small grammar mistakes. Just focus on speaking.
Exactly. English is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
That's a great way to say it.
Thanks. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it.
Oh no, here comes the dad jokes again.
Hey, they make the lessons memorable.
True. All right, before we wrap up, let's summarize the key morning English phrases you should remember.
Okay, ready? Wake up. Get up. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a shower. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to work or school.
Perfect. And don't forget polite and friendly phrases like good morning, how did you sleep, and have a great day.
You can even mix them. Good morning. I'm going to work now. Have a great day.
Beautiful. That sounds natural and kind, perfect for daily English.
And if you practice these sentences every morning, you'll start thinking in English without even trying.
That's the goal. Thinking in English, not translating in your head.
So true.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning about morning routines with us.
And remember, small steps every day make a big difference in your English journey.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, what's your morning routine like?
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time on
The English Twins Podcast.